The Samsung Galaxy M56 is here to redefine the mid-range experience. Let's dive into what makes this phone a potential game changer for 2026.
Out of the box, the M56 feels premium. Its sleek, minimalist design fits perfectly in the hand, signaling a major upgrade in build quality. The matte finish on the back is not just stylish but practical, keeping fingerprints away while providing a firm, comfortable grip during daily use.
Feast your eyes on this vivid Super AMOLED display. With high peak brightness and deep blacks, every image pops with incredible clarity and color.
Experience buttery smooth scrolling and navigation thanks to the 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It makes every interaction feel snappy and incredibly responsive.
Out and about in the brightest sunlight, the Samsung Galaxy M56's display remains crystal clear. See every detail on your map effortlessly.
Under the hood, the latest chipset ensures blazing fast performance. Multitasking is a breeze, and apps launch almost instantly without any stuttering or lag. Gamers will appreciate the sustained performance. High graphic titles run smoothly, maintaining stable frame rates even during intense, extended gaming sessions.
Running on the latest One UI, the software is clean, intuitive, and feature-rich, providing a seamless user experience tailored to your daily needs.
The primary sensor captures stunning detail. Whether in broad daylight or dim environments, your photos will look professional, sharp, and vibrant every time. Get up close with the dedicated macro lens. It reveals hidden textures and fine details that standard cameras often miss in everyday photography. Night mode has seen a significant boost. It effectively balances light and shadows, producing noise-free, crisp images even in challenging low-light conditions.
The Samsung Galaxy M56's front camera delivers excellent skin tones and sharp focus. My video calls have never looked this good. Recording video is rock steady. With enhanced optical stabilization, your handheld footage looks cinematic, smooth, and free from unwanted jitters or shakes.
Power through your day with ease. The massive battery is designed to handle heavy usage, ensuring you have enough charge from morning until night.
The Samsung Galaxy M56 features super fast charging, giving you hours of power in just minutes, so you can stay connected all day.
Intelligent power management software optimizes background processes, extending your battery life further and ensuring efficient energy consumption throughout the day. Experience the future with lightning-fast 5G speeds. Downloads and uploads are instantaneous, keeping you connected at the speed of life wherever you go. The stereo speakers deliver rich, immersive audio. Whether listening to music or watching movies, the sound profile is balanced and pleasantly loud. With advanced antenna placement, signal reception is robust. You can count on stable connections and clear calls, even in areas with spotty network coverage. Built to last, the M56 features a reinforced frame and high-quality materials, offering peace of mind against accidental drops and daily wear and tear.
With ample internal storage and support for expansion, you will never run out of space for your photos, videos, apps, and important documents.
The M56 balances features, performance, and price, making it one of the strongest contenders in the segment.
If you want reliability, a great camera, and a stunning screen without bringing the bank, this phone hits all the right marks for you.
Samsung's commitment to regular software updates means your device stays secure and performs optimally for years to come, maximizing your investment value.
Whether you are an African-American male student, a professional, or a content creator, the Galaxy M50 is versatile enough to Ultimately, the Samsung Galaxy M56 impresses. It is a well-rounded, dependable smartphone that delivers exactly what users need in 2026 and beyond.
Thanks for watching our review of the Galaxy M56. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates.